7,500 pounds of towing capacity, 405 horsepower in Raptor form, and a tailgate that doubles as a workbench with built-in clamps. Ford just proved you don't need an F-150 to get serious work done. The 2026 Ford Ranger is here, and it's the mid-sized truck that's making the Tacoma and Colorado look outdated. We're talking 3 turbocharged engine options, up to 1,805 pounds of payload, a cabin that feels more like an F-150 than a budget truck, and pricing that starts at just $35,245. This is Ford's made-in-USA mid-size pickup that does everything right, and honestly, it might be the only truck most people actually need. So here's what's happening. Ford completely redesigned the Ranger for 2024, and for 2026, they're keeping the momentum going with refinements to the Sync 5 infotainment, upgraded Copilot 360 2.5 safety tech, soft touch materials now standard on XL and XLT trims, and a new Avalanche exterior color. Production is already underway at Ford's Michigan assembly plant, with trucks hitting dealerships by late summer 2025. The Ranger competes directly with the Toyota Tacoma, Chevy Colorado, Honda Ridgeline, and Jeep Gladiator. But here's the kicker. It tows more than the Tacoma, costs less than most competitors when you factor in incentives, and comes exclusively as a crew cab with a 5-foot bed, which is exactly what most buyers want anyway. Let's talk design, because this Ranger looks seriously good. The front end features a bold grille, sharp LED headlights, and a muscular hood that gives it genuine road presence. Lariat and Wildtrak trims get revised grille and lighting signatures that make them stand out even more. The Ranger sits on a high-strength steel frame with a solid rear axle, and you can get it on 17-inch steel wheels for the base XL, or upgrade to larger alloys on higher trims. The Raptor? That thing gets massive all-terrain tires, flared fenders, and Fox shocks that scream desert racer. Around back, the tailgate is damp so it opens softly, and it's been engineered to act as a portable workbench with built-in clamp pockets and an integrated ruler. That's the kind of smart design that makes the Ranger genuinely useful on job sites. Honestly, this truck looks modern, aggressive, and purposeful without being overstyled. Step inside, and this is where the Ranger really impresses. Even the base XL gets a 10.1-inch touchscreen with Sync 5, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, an 8-inch digital instrument cluster, cloth upholstery, and an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. The XLT adds navigation, a rear camera mirror, lane keep assist, remote start, and carpeted floor mats. Move up to the Lariat and you get synthetic leather upholstery, a 12-inch touchscreen, a 12.4-inch digital gauge cluster, heated and power-adjustable front seats, a heated steering wheel, dual-zone automatic climate control, and an available 10-speaker Bang & Olufsen premium audio system. The cabin is spacious up front with smart storage solutions including underseat bins, door pockets, and a center console that actually holds stuff. The rear seat is adult-friendly, though it's not as roomy as the Honda Ridgeline. You also get multiple USB ports, available wireless charging, and over-the-air software updates to keep the truck current. The Raptor? It gets unique sport seats, red stitching, and off-road focused tech throughout. Honestly, for a mid-sized truck, the Ranger's interior feels premium and well thought out. Here's where the Ranger sets itself apart. Ford offers 3 turbocharged EcoBoost engines. The base 2.3-liter inline-4 makes 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, and it's standard on XL, XLT, and Lariat trims. It's available with rear-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive, and it pairs with a 10-speed automatic transmission with selectable drive modes, including normal, eco, sport, tow/haul, and slippery. The EPA rates it at 21 miles per gallon city and 26 highway with rear-wheel drive, or 19 city and 26 highway with 4-wheel drive. That's competitive for the class. The optional 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6 makes 315 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, and it's available on XLT and Lariat trims. It mandates 4-wheel drive and delivers 19 city and 23 highway miles per gallon. The big news? That engine option costs $7,545 on the XLT and $5,795 on the Lariat, but it comes with 4-wheel drive and additional features, so it's actually a solid value. Finally, the Ranger Raptor gets an exclusive 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, pumping out 405 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. That's supercar territory for a mid-sized truck. When properly equipped, the Ranger can tow up to 7,500 pounds, which beats the Tacoma's 6,500 pound rating, and it has a maximum payload of 1,805 pounds, which is best in class for mid-sized trucks. The ride quality is smooth and refined, avoiding the clumsy ponderousness some trucks suffer from. It handles more like a car on the highway, but still delivers genuine off-road capability, especially in Raptor form. Safety tech is where Ford really delivers. The base XL comes standard with automatic high beams, lane departure warning, and front automatic emergency braking. Move up to XLT or higher and you get Ford Copilot 362.5, which adds adaptive cruise control with lane centering, blind spot monitoring with trailer coverage, rear automatic braking, intersection assist, and evasive steering assist. Higher trims also get front and rear parking sensors and an available 360-degree camera system. The Ranger also includes zone lighting, which is controlled through the touchscreen or Ford Pass app and lets you illuminate the perimeter of the truck for camping or job sites. Ford covers the Ranger with a 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty and a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty, which is standard for the segment. Now let's talk pricing and trims. The 2026 Ranger starts at $35,245 for the base XL with the 2.3-liter 4-cylinder and rear-wheel drive. The XLT starts at $35,875. The Lariat is $43,755, and the range-topping Ranger Raptor kicks off at $58,965. But here's the good news. Buyers are typically paying $1,445 to $2,365 below MSRP, depending on trim and equipment, and Ford is offering a $2,000 customer cash rebate plus an additional $875 for military members, students, and first responders. Qualified buyers can also get special financing as low as 4.9% APR for 72 months, which beats the current market rate of 7.39%. The XLT with 4-wheel drive and the 2.7-liter V6 is the sweet spot, offering great capability, comfort, and value at around $43,000 before incentives. That's competitive with the Tacoma, Colorado, and Gladiator, and in most cases, the Ranger delivers more towing capacity and better tech for the money. So who's this truck for? If you want a capable, comfortable mid-size truck for work, weekend adventures, or daily driving, and you don't need the size or cost of an F-150, the Ranger is a no-brainer. It's also great if you want the option of the Raptor for serious off-road performance without stepping up to a full-size truck. Who should skip it? If you need maximum backseat space for a family, the Honda Ridgeline is roomier. If you want the absolute highest towing capacity, the Chevy Colorado edges out the Ranger with a 7,700-pound rating. And if you're waiting for a hybrid powertrain, rumors suggest Ford is working on one, but it's not confirmed for 2026. But here's my question for you. In 2026, with gas prices still unpredictable and full-size trucks getting more expensive every year, is the mid-size segment where you'd spend your money? Or would you still stretch for an F-150? And if you're shopping mid-size, does the Ranger's combination of towing, tech, and value make it your top pick? Or are you leaning toward the Tacoma or Colorado? Drop your thoughts below.